Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab 16 Pro and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system, not about tablet, the system. Now let's tap on backup option and we will be immediately transferred to this Google backup section. So let's tap on next and tap on add account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And wait patiently. So here in this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly do it. And tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, now let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it and there you've got the info, and tap on I agree after the reading. And let's tap on the backup account we've just added. Now you can decide where you want to backup, so the photos and videos or other device data. Of course you can mark both. I'll choose only this one and tap on confirm. Let's tap on manage backup, and here we've got the section where we can check the info about the backup. So we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files. Here we've got the backup details, so we can check what has already been backed up. Under it we've got advanced settings, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you will avoid some charges. And all you have to do to finish everything is tap on backup now, and from now on your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.